Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking one of the most budget friendly meal, chicken livers. If you're looking for something that is cheap and quick to make, chicken livers are so easy to make. So first of all, I'm going to heat my pan, medium heat, and add some oil, about 3 tablespoons of oil, and 1 large onion. I'm going to fry the onion until it's soft and starting to be fragrant. So just fry the onion for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic paste and then cook for about a minute, just mixing the garlic and the onion. This is looking good. Now I'm going to add my chicken livers. So I've washed and dried the chicken livers. So I'm going to add some salt and black pepper, and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of cayenne seasoning. And then I'm adding paprika. A teaspoon of paprika, and then fry the chicken livers together with the spices and the onion and the garlic. So cook for about 3 minutes on each side of the chicken livers. Don't overcook it. I just want to make sure each side is cooked. And this is looking good. Make sure all the sides are cooked. So that's pretty much it, guys. Now I'm going to add parsley for garnish, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.